Hey guys, it's Josh James with the Josh James team of Keller Williams Realty. I'm here at this phenomenal property on 52 acres at 13105 Centerline Road in South Wales, New York. We have 2 barns, 19 horse stalls, and a 65-foot by 180-foot indoor riding arena. Come on, check it out. All right, so here we are in the indoor riding arena. This is the second barn, and this is 65 by 180 feet. As you can see, it's massive, with the newest section being built about 12 years ago. Again, 19 stalls, 10 of which are leased out. Perfect for anything you could dream of as far as horses are concerned.